back to channel. Welcome back to the Mohammed Irfan vlog store. Today's vlog we're going to have a 3D letters on my car. So let's start the video. Welcome back to channel. Welcome back to the Alright guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in another vlog. Alright guys, the 3D letter which I got on my car, it cost me around 800. So I got the sticker for free because I'm known to him. And that's it for guys. If you want the location and the address, I'll share in the description. So see it.